Blackseed oil is one of the most talked about natural remedies in the world, but many people still don't know what makes it so special. So welcome to Care Health Channel. In today's video, we're uncovering the untold health benefits of blackseed oil, why it has been used for centuries, and how it may support your body in ways you never expected. If you've heard of blackseed oil but never tried it, this might be the most important video you watch today. Blackseed oil comes from the seeds of the plant Nigella sativa, often called black cumin. It has been used in traditional medicine for over 2,000 years, and it's sometimes referred to as the seed of blessing because of its powerful healing reputation. What makes blackseed oil so unique is its active compound called thymoquinone, which has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This is one of the reasons blackseed oil is gaining attention in modern health research today. So what are the real benefits? Let's start with the immune system. Blackseed oil may help strengthen the body's natural defenses, making it easier to fight off infections, seasonal colds, and general weakness. Many people take it regularly during harmattan or cold seasons to stay strong. Another powerful benefit is inflammation support. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems, including joint pain, arthritis, and even heart issues. Blackseed oil may help calm inflammation inside the body, which is why some people notice less stiffness and discomfort after consistent use. Now let's talk about digestion. Blackseed oil has traditionally been used to support the stomach, reduce bloating, and improve gut health. If you often feel discomfort after meals, this oil may help soothe the digestive system. Blackseed oil may also support healthy blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest it may improve insulin sensitivity, making it helpful for people trying to manage blood sugar naturally, though it should never replace medical treatment. Another untold benefit is its effect on the skin and hair. Because it's rich in healthy fatty acids and antioxidants, blackseed oil is often used to support clearer skin, reduce acne, and promote stronger hair growth. Many people apply it directly to the scalp or mix it into natural skincare routines. And here's something surprising. Blackseed oil may also support respiratory health. It has been traditionally used for cough, asthma symptoms, and congestion because of its soothing effect on the airways. So how do you use blackseed oil correctly? For most adults, a common amount is half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon daily, taken with food or mixed into honey. Start small because the taste is strong and the body needs time to adjust. But a quick warning, blackseed oil is powerful and it may interact with medications, especially blood pressure or blood thinning drugs. Pregnant women should also avoid using it without medical advice, so always speak with a healthcare professional if you have any condition. Blackseed oil is not just another trendy supplement. It's an ancient natural remedy with modern health potential, from immune support and inflammation control to better digestion, skin health, and more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever tried blackseed oil before? Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.